Smart machines, beyond automation. Smart machines are no longer just tools that automate tasks. They are evolving into sophisticated systems capable of learning, adapting, and making decisions. This technological evolution is powered by breakthroughs in AI and machine learning, allowing machines to process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and optimize their functions in real time. Unlike traditional automation, where machines follow pre-programmed instructions, AI-powered robotics has the ability to improve over time by learning from experiences, making them more adaptable to changing environments. One key area of development is machine learning, a subset of AI that enables machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This allows robots to teach themselves how to perform tasks with greater efficiency and precision, reducing the need for human intervention and increasing productivity. For example, AI-powered robots can learn to identify faulty products on an assembly line or optimize supply chains in real time, making industries more agile. Revolutionizing healthcare with robotics. The impact of robotics in healthcare is nothing short of revolutionary. Robots are now performing surgeries with incredible precision and assisting healthcare professionals in complex procedures. One example is the Da Vinci surgical system, which enables surgeons to perform minimally invasive surgeries with robotic assistance. The precision offered by these robots reduces the risk of human error, shortens recovery times, and improves patient outcomes. AI-driven robots also play a vital role in the diagnostic process. By analyzing medical images and patient data, AI-powered systems can help doctors identify diseases earlier and with greater accuracy than ever before. This capability is especially critical in fields like oncology, where early detection can significantly improve a patient's chance of survival. Robots in personal and domestic life. Smart machines are not confined to industrial sectors. They are increasingly entering our homes, enhancing our daily lives. Personal assistant robots like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant are now capable of understanding natural language, performing a range of tasks, and seamlessly integrating with other smart home devices. From setting reminders and controlling lighting to providing weather updates and playing music, these robots are transforming the way we interact with our living spaces. Robots are also stepping in to help with household chores. Robotic vacuum cleaners like Roomba and robotic lawnmowers are increasingly common in households, making everyday tasks more efficient and reducing the burden of maintenance work. These machines operate autonomously, learning the layout of the home and adjusting their actions based on the environment, making them invaluable household helpers. The evolution of autonomous vehicles. One of the most promising applications of robotics is in the field of autonomous transportation. Self-driving cars, powered by AI and robotic systems, are already being tested on roads around the world. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, and algorithms to navigate, avoid obstacles, and make decisions on the fly. While fully autonomous vehicles are not yet a mainstream reality, the technology is advancing rapidly and has the potential to transform how we commute, reducing traffic accidents, lowering transportation costs, and enhancing mobility for individuals with disabilities or limited access to transportation. Autonomous robots are also playing a key role in logistics and supply chain management, with drones and delivery robots capable of delivering goods to customers quickly and efficiently. These innovations could revolutionize the retail and e-commerce sectors, offering faster deliveries and optimizing routes to reduce carbon emissions. Robots in space, a new frontier. The possibilities for robots in space exploration are expanding with each new technological breakthrough. Robots like NASA's Perseverance rover are already exploring Mars, conducting scientific experiments, and gathering valuable data about the planet's surface. These robots are essential for exploring environments that are too dangerous or distant for human astronauts to reach, and they help scientists learn more about the universe. As we aim for more ambitious goals in space exploration, such as human missions to Mars and the establishment of permanent colonies on the Moon, robots will continue to be our primary tools for exploration and construction. Robots could one day be used to build infrastructure on the Moon, harvest resources, and prepare for human habitation, all while minimizing the risk to human life. Robotics and sustainability. Sustainability is one of the most important challenges of our time, and robotics is playing a key role in finding solutions. In agriculture, robots are revolutionizing precision farming, using AI and sensors to optimize planting, watering, and harvesting. These robots help reduce the use of water, pesticides, and fertilizers, ensuring that food production becomes more sustainable and efficient. Additionally, agricultural robots can assist in monitoring plant health, identifying pests, and improving crop yields. In environmental conservation, robots are being deployed to clean up our oceans, track endangered wildlife, and restore damaged ecosystems. For example, robotic drones are being used to monitor forests and track deforestation, while underwater robots are working to remove plastic pollution from the oceans. These robots not only provide valuable data but also take action to mitigate environmental damage. The future of human-robot interaction. As robots become more intelligent, the way humans interact with them will evolve. The future of human-robot interaction, HRI, will involve collaboration rather than competition. Cobots, robots designed to work alongside humans, are already becoming integral to manufacturing, research, and even healthcare. These robots work in tandem with human workers, assisting with repetitive or dangerous tasks and allowing humans to focus on more creative or strategic work. The future of HRI also holds promise for emotionally intelligent robots, machines that can understand and respond to human emotions. These robots could assist in mental health care, providing companionship and support to individuals struggling with loneliness or anxiety. In the service industry, emotionally intelligent robots could create more personalized experiences, from customer service representatives to healthcare companions. Navigating the ethical implications. While the benefits of robotics are clear, the ethical considerations surrounding these technologies are complex. One of the major concerns is job displacement. As robots automate more tasks, there is a growing fear that human workers may be replaced, particularly in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and retail. However, experts argue that robotics will also create new job opportunities in fields like robotics design, maintenance, and programming. Another ethical concern is the use of AI decision-making systems. As robots become more autonomous, they will be making decisions that affect human lives. For instance, autonomous vehicles must make ethical decisions in emergency situations, such as whether to prioritize the safety of the passengers or pedestrians. These scenarios raise important questions about accountability, transparency, and bias in AI systems. Shaping the future. Collaboration between humans and robots. The future of robotics is not about replacing humans, but enhancing human potential. As robots become more integrated into our lives, they will enable us to focus on what makes us uniquely human: creativity, empathy, and innovation. The collaboration between humans and robots will drive progress in fields ranging from healthcare and space exploration to art and sustainability. The path forward involves finding the balance between technological innovation and ethical responsibility. Ensuring that robots are designed and used in ways that benefit society will require collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and the public. This will ensure that the benefits of robotics are shared by all, and that the potential risks are minimized. Robotics and artificial intelligence. Enhancing personalization. Personalization is becoming one of the most significant aspects of the relationship between humans and machines. AI-driven robots are increasingly able to learn individual preferences and adapt their behaviors accordingly, offering a deeply personalized experience in a variety of industries. In retail, for example, robots equipped with AI can track a customer's purchase history and suggest products that align with their tastes. AI-powered recommendation engines are already employed in platforms like Amazon and Netflix, but the next phase will bring more robotic assistants into homes and stores that adapt and offer tailored shopping experiences based on individual habits and desires. Similarly, in healthcare, robotic companions can be designed to learn about the habits, health conditions, and preferences of their patients, offering a more personalized approach to caregiving. These robots could provide tailored health advice, remind individuals to take medications, or help with exercise routines based on individual needs and progress. Smart robots in education. The educational landscape is also transforming due to the introduction of smart robots. AI-powered tutors and educational robots can customize learning experiences for students based on their pace, strengths, and weaknesses. These robots offer interactive lessons that can engage students more effectively than traditional learning methods. For example, in early childhood education, social robots can teach children social skills, language, and even basic coding in a fun and interactive way. In higher education, robots and AI systems can assist in automating grading, creating personalized study materials, and even conducting research. These technologies are reshaping how education is delivered and accessed, especially in remote learning environments, where AI-powered robots can act as virtual teaching assistants, guiding students through lessons, answering questions, and providing feedback. Robots and the arts. Creativity meets technology. While robots have historically been viewed as tools for precision and efficiency, they are also making a significant mark in the world of art and creativity. As the line between human creativity and artificial intelligence blurs, robots are being employed as creative collaborators. From AI-generated music to robotic painters and sculptors, the world of art is being transformed by these smart machines. For example, AI algorithms are already being used to generate original pieces of music, blending various styles and genres to create compositions that were once unimaginable. In visual arts, robots can adapt to the brushstrokes or sculptural movements of their human counterparts, creating dynamic art that evolves in real time based on the artist's direction. The collaboration between human ingenuity and robotic execution is opening up new frontiers in the creative process, highlighting that machines can be more than just tools, they can be partners in the creative journey. Enhancing safety and risk reduction with robotics. Robots are increasingly being deployed in high-risk environments where human presence could be dangerous. Whether in nuclear facilities, mining operations, or disaster zones, robots are taking on tasks that were once too hazardous for humans. For example, bomb disposal robots have been used to safely disarm explosives in war zones and terrorist incidents, while search and rescue robots help locate survivors after natural disasters, navigating through debris and unstable environments that would be perilous for human rescuers. In industries such as oil and gas, robots are used to inspect pipelines and perform repairs in environments that are too hazardous for workers. These machines reduce human risk and ensure that essential operations continue safely and efficiently. Social robotics and emotional intelligence. The rise of social robots, robots designed to interact with humans in an emotionally intelligent way, has sparked excitement about the potential to improve human well-being. These robots are equipped with the ability to detect and respond to human emotions, making them particularly beneficial in healthcare and elderly care. For instance, robots like Paro, a therapeutic robot designed to resemble a baby seal, are used to provide emotional support to elderly individuals, particularly those with dementia. Social robots can mimic human-like behaviors, offering comfort, companionship, and even emotional reassurance. As emotional intelligence in robots improves, these machines could also assist in mental health therapy, offering patients real-time emotional support, helping them manage stress, and providing encouragement. Ethics in robotics. Ensuring fairness and safety. As robotics and AI systems continue to evolve, the ethical implications of their use are becoming increasingly important. One of the major concerns surrounding AI and robotics is algorithmic bias, the possibility that robots could unintentionally perpetuate discrimination or inequality. If AI algorithms are trained on biased data, they can produce skewed results that affect decision-making processes, such as hiring practices, law enforcement, and credit scoring. Addressing this issue will require transparent and responsible AI development. Researchers, developers, and policymakers are working together to create frameworks for ensuring that robots and AI systems are designed to be fair, transparent, and unbiased. Additionally, developing AI systems with safety as a core principle is crucial. This includes creating safeguards to prevent robots from making harmful decisions, such as ethical guidelines for autonomous vehicles to ensure they make the safest choices during emergencies. Robotics and smart cities. Transforming urban living. The concept of smart cities is quickly becoming a reality, with robots playing a central role in reshaping urban life. In a smart city, robots will be integral to everything from traffic management to waste collection to urban farming. AI-driven robots will optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and provide efficient public transportation services. Autonomous delivery robots will carry goods across cities, reducing the reliance on traditional delivery vehicles and lowering carbon footprints. In urban farming, robots will assist with growing crops in vertical farms, reducing the need for traditional agricultural land and ensuring that cities can become more self-sufficient in food production. These machines will also help reduce water usage, optimize soil quality, and ensure sustainable farming practices, making cities more resilient and sustainable. The global implications of robotics. The proliferation of robotics is not just transforming local industries but is reshaping global economies. As more countries embrace robotics and AI, there will be a shift in global labor markets. Nations that invest in robotics education, AI research, and automation technologies will likely see an economic advantage, while countries that fail to adapt may face challenges in maintaining their competitive edge. Moreover, robotics and AI will play an increasingly vital role in addressing global challenges, such as climate change, poverty, and healthcare access. By harnessing the power of robotics, we can design more sustainable solutions for energy production, develop affordable healthcare systems, and improve living conditions in underdeveloped regions. The global impact of robotics will be far-reaching, influencing everything from governance and security to international trade and environmental conservation. The future of robotics. Boundless opportunities. As we look toward the future, the possibilities of robotics seem limitless. Quantum computing, 5G technology, and advanced AI algorithms will continue to accelerate the development of smarter, more capable robots. These innovations will allow robots to take on even more sophisticated tasks, such as managing global supply chains, offering personalized education, and creating more interactive and responsive virtual environments. Ultimately, the future of robotics is not about replacing humans, but about enhancing human potential and enriching our lives in ways we never thought possible. The age of smart machines has only just begun, and as these technologies continue to evolve, they will unlock opportunities for greater creativity, innovation, and prosperity. By embracing robotics as a force for good, we can ensure that these smart machines work alongside us, shaping a future where technology and humanity grow together, creating a world that is smarter, more efficient, and more connected. The age of smart machines is not just about robots performing tasks or AI making decisions. It's about unlocking the immense potential of technology to enrich human life in profound ways. These intelligent, adaptive machines are more than just tools. They are catalysts for creativity, progress, and transformation. As robotics and AI continue to evolve, they will seamlessly integrate into every aspect of our world, revolutionizing industries, enhancing personal experiences, and driving innovation in ways that were once confined to the realms of science fiction. However, as we stand on the brink of this exciting technological frontier, we must remember that these smart machines, no matter how advanced, are ultimately reflections of our values, creativity, and purpose. The true magic of robotics lies not just in the power of the machines themselves, but in how we, as humans, choose to harness that power. It's in the balance of innovation with ethics, in the way technology can create more opportunities rather than replacing human potential, and in the way we shape a future where humans and machines work hand in hand to solve the most complex challenges of our time. As we continue this journey into the future, the question we must ask ourselves isn't just, what can robots do? But, what do we want them to do for us? By guiding the development of smart machines with wisdom, compassion, and purpose, we can ensure that the magic of robotics serves to enhance every corner of our lives, making the impossible possible and creating a future that's smarter, kinder, and more interconnected than we ever dreamed. The future is not just arriving, it's unfolding, right before our eyes, powered by the incredible synergy between humans and smart machines. And together, we can create a world that is nothing short of extraordinary.